Phonics friends, thank you for joining me as we learn a new sound. Are you ready for your brains to grow stronger? Let's get started. Today we are learning the X sound. When I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. X, X, X. Excellent. Now, let's have a look in my magic box. But thinking about it, I'm not sure if I can think of any words that begin with the X sound. I know there are some words that are written using the X as the first letter, like xylophone, but not the X sound. I wonder what will be inside the magic box. The first thing we've got is a fox, because that has the X sound at the end. Fox, fox. Excellent. Let's see what else. I found a box inside the box. So box has got the X sound at the end. Box, box. Excellent. See what else we've got. We've got the number 6. And again, that X sound is at the end. 6, 6. Excellent. So 6, box and fox all use the X sound. Now, let's have a little go at writing the X sound. To write our X sound, we start at the top, we go down, pencils off, start here, down and across. I want you joining in at home using your magic fingers, your magic piece of paper, and get our fingers ready for writing. Give them a good wiggle, a big stretch, and give our shoulders a big roll. And off we go. Start at the top, down, start here, down and across. Let's do it again. Start at the top, down, start here, down and across. One last time. Start here, down, pencils off, start here, down and across. Well done. Now let's have a go at reading some words that use the X sound. Our first word today is mix. When it's my turn, listen carefully to all the sounds so you know what to say when it's your turn. X, mix. Your turn. Mix. Well done. My turn. X, mix. Your turn. Well done. Our next word today is box. My turn. B-ox, box. Your turn. Box. Well done. My turn. B-ox, box. Your turn. Box. Well done. And our last word today is fox. F-ox, fox. Your turn. Fox. Well done. My turn. F-ox, fox. Your turn. Fox. Excellent. I wonder if you could think of any of your own words that use the X sound. Well done on working so hard today, guys. You should feel very proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!